Good morning to you. Welcome to the Saturday Breakfast with a Bang. We're having a conversation this morning. We saw on social media, on the news, on the radio, and everywhere the conversation of having KZN changed from being KZN to being KwaZulu, just not KwaZulu Natal, because the history that comes with the name Natal. Yabo? So this being said, I also watched an interview by King David Mashabela that he did with Flatshivambo, the leader of Africa, Maibuwe. The leader also spoke about many things that he felt like should have been changed as soon as black government took power, or as soon as the country became a democratic country in 94, speaking about some statues, some road names, names of areas, and all of those type of things. So this leads me to the question that I have for you this morning, because you also have a day-to-day interaction with a South Africa in your own perspective. Could be that you're seeing a lot of things that do not represent us as South Africans. What else do you feel should be changed in South Africa? I'll start. There's a building that I frequent. Gune sign eti, in case of an emergency, do not use a lift but use elevators. I mean, don't use a lift but use stairs. Yeah? But then it is translated into Afrikaans. It's just English and Afrikaans. I just wish or hope that one day. And some music coming through from Candace Soul, as I mentioned. This is a beautiful one called Imizamo. I'm going to play some of the voice messages